Bangalore, Matisia Southern India Exhibition 2025 opened its doors with a grand inauguration today, setting the stage for India's fastest growing integrated exhibition for wood, panel, decorative surfaces, hardware, furniture, and machinery. Industry leaders, architects, designers, and business professionals thronged the venue in large numbers, making day one a phenomenal success. The grand inauguration of Matisia South Edition 2025 was graced by Mr. Shankar F. Patil KES Chief Project Officer Kshib Bangalore and Vice President Indian Roads Congress, IRC, New Delhi, along with esteemed dignitaries.
See, I'm the organizer and we started this in 2022. So we started on a national level from Delhi and this is just the fourth year, and see, from national level we have now launched our Matisia exhibition in Bangalore. And Bangalore is not only for Bangalore, it is for the entire South India. So we are covering the South Indian states of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Goa also. So it is an architecture event and it is also a building material and interior products exhibition. Okay, so there are three things happening here. One is India Furniture Conclave in one of the halls. The architecture event is going to happen here and the building material exhibition is in both the halls. We were not expecting that early in the morning so many people will join us. So thank you so much for coming here, and I'm really grateful to all our partners, especially our partners who have trusted us and who have stayed with us, even if they know that it is our first time here in Bangalore and in South India, but our partners have trusted us. That's the reason more than 150 exhibitors are here and they have come with all great force. More than us, they are excited, and that makes us very happy. And with this, I also want to welcome the top architects and designers from South India who are coming to this event. And from all these states, I want to welcome them and I want to appreciate their trust on us, and we really would always keep up their trust. This is what, as an organizer, I can say. And as you have kept your faith in Matisia, Matisia will always be there trying to do our best for all of you, for the growth of the industry, for the intent of making the best for everyone in the fraternity. So this is what I would like to say. So my name is Vartika Divedi and I am the director of Matisia exhibition. Thank you so much for coming here.